Hey everyone, my name is Vandana. How are you all? In this video, we are going to see how to trace any image or particularly logos in much better quality than usual. If talking particularly around the logo, it sometimes has the text, sometimes don't, and if the text is present, sometimes the thick and thicker stroke. So the easy solution to get rid I came across is that rather than the images already with the background, in the case of logo you needed to take the images which has the png, okay? Because let me show you the difference what happens. Let me select this, go to the properties, image trace, let's say it's 3 colors, and expand. Okay, so I have expanded that. Let me just run group also. Okay, it will take little bit of time. See, and let's expand and ungroup. See the difference, guys. The image I have taken was almost same size, but what happens is because it already having the background, so couple of edges were pixelated and the thing. But if you already take the image with a PNG, I mean it's just more sorted. So that's a little trick that we can always take in account while tracing the logo or the image where it is possible to extract the background. So you can just create that image into the png first and then trace it. It will give you the drastic result. So hope you like this video. Thank you very much.